back to my channel. So today I'll be creating this eye look from this Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed the channel and hit the like button if you like it, and of course share it with your friends. So let's get started. So I'm applying the concealer all over my crease area. Now I'm blending it with a beauty blender. Now I am applying the eyeshadow base all over my crease area. And also blend it with a beauty blender. I am taking this loose powder and setting my both the eyelids. Now I am taking this light blue set from Take Me Back to Brazil palette and applying all over my natural crease area. Now I am slowly blending the eyeshadow in my crease line in upward motion. I will be doing same in my other eye. Now I am taking this dark blue shade from the same palette and the same fluffy brush and applying it all over my crease area. Now I am slowly blending the eyeshadow in my crease line. So now it's time to cut the crease. I have taken a flat brush and I'll be cutting my crease in half cut crease. Now I am taking this shimmer shade from the same palette with a flat brush and applying it all over my cut crease. Now I am blending in my side with the same fluffy brush and a dark blue shade. I will be doing same for my next eye. Now I am using a mascara. You can also wear a fake lashes. So now it's time for a face makeup.